So, you've got your shiny new Koho card in hand. It's sleek, it's modern, and it promises a world of financial freedom. But how do you unlock its potential? How do you transform this piece of plastic into your go-to-payment method? That's right, we're talking about activating your Koho card. Let's face it, navigating the world of fintech can be a maze. There's jargon, there's tech speak, and there's a whole lot of waiting involved. But don't worry, we're here to be your guide through this process. We're going to break down the steps, offer tips, and even share some insider knowledge to make your activation as smooth as possible. First things first, let's talk about what activation really means. In simple terms, it's the process of verifying your identity and linking your card to your Koho account. It's like giving your card the green light to start spending. But it's not just about spending, it's about taking control of your finances. Now, you might be wondering why activation is even necessary. Well, it's a security measure. It helps Koho ensure that the card is in the right hands and that you're the rightful owner. It's like putting a digital lock on your financial life. Alright, let's dive into the steps. The first thing you'll need is your Koho app. Download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, create an account or log in if you already have one. Now, this is where things get interesting. You'll be prompted to add your card details. Don't worry about the long numbers and confusing codes. The app will guide you through it. Just make sure you enter everything correctly. One little typo and you might find yourself in a frustrating loop. After you've inputted your card details, it's time for the identity verification. This is where you'll need to provide some personal information. It might seem like a lot of details, but it's essential for security purposes. Think of it as showing your ID to a bouncer, but in a digital world. Once you've verified your identity, the next step is to activate your card. This usually involves clicking a button or entering a code. It's pretty straightforward, but make sure you have a stable internet connection. You don't want to be halfway through the process and lose connection. Congratulations! Your Koho card is now activated. You can start using it right away. But wait, there's more. Your card comes with a bunch of cool features like cashback, roundups, and even the ability to earn interest on your balance. To make the most of your Koho card, it's important to understand these features. Let's start with cashback. It's like getting paid to shop. Every time you use your card, you earn a percentage back. It might not seem like much, but it can add up over time. Roundups are another great feature. Basically, every purchase you make gets rounded up to the nearest dollar, and the difference is transferred to your savings. It's a painless way to save money. And then there's the interest. Koho offers interest on your balance, which means your money is actually working for you. It's like having a tiny money-making machine in your pocket. But remember, while these features are awesome, it's essential to use your card responsibly. Avoid overspending and make sure you pay your balance on time to avoid fees. So, there you have it. That's how to activate your Koho card and start making the most of it. It might seem like a lot of steps, but once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.